Hello, this is Vatsal from Matweb Tuition. So in today's session, we are going to learn about the measures of central tendency. When I say measures of central tendency, it means nothing but the mean, median and mode. Let us see how to work on it one by one. First, the mean. Mean is nothing but the average. Okay, we find mean value for most of the things in our day-to-day life. Say for instance, finding the average marks of a student or average sales made in a month, likewise. So what do we do normally for the average? We sum up all the data and we divide it by the number of items, right? Number of, say for instance, if you're finding out the average of marks of 5 subjects, you just add up all the marks and divide by 5 so that you get the average of it, right? Here the mean is found out by the sum of a set of data divided by the number of data. And you have to remember that you do not round the answer, okay? Don't write approximation unless otherwise they've asked for. I have an example here for you. Consider this set of test score values. So it is given like 13, 18, 13, 14, 13, 16, 14, 21 and 13, right? And you are asked to calculate the mean score. Mean is given by the formula sum of the data divided by the number of data given. Okay. So in this problem what we do is you add up all the scores, okay? So that's, I have added all this and whole thing is divided by the number of scores given here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you divide by 9, okay? So normally the mean value is shown like this, x bar. So x bar, the total, when I add up, it comes up to 135, okay? The sum is 135 divided by 9 and your answer is 15 here. So your mean value, the average of these score is 15, okay? So the next one here is the median. The median is the middle value. It is unlike the mean. Here we are just bothered about the middle value, okay? The middle value or the mean of the middle two values when the data is arranged in numerical order is the median, okay? So here they have asked you to find the median of the above question, the question which we have already done there. So just remember, for calculating the median, it is always better to rewrite the numbers in ascending order. So these numbers which they have given you already, I'm just going to write it in ascending or descending order. You can write it anyway, but here I'm going to write it in ascending order, okay? You've got all the digits here. Now how do you find the median of this? You have to take the middle value, right? So you can just, since the value is very less here, the number of digits are less here, you can directly say 14 is the middle value, or you can use the formula n plus 1 by 2. So here n is the number of digits given, numbers given, so that is 9 plus 1 over 2. So that is 10 over 2, that is 5, fifth item, okay? So it is fifth term you are going to take, okay? Here n plus 1 by 2 size, okay? That is what is your median. So here it is fifth term. So from the beginning you just go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 14 is your median, the middle term. So you can see 4 numbers onto your left and 4 numbers onto your right, okay? And this 14 is the middle term. So you can say that median is 14. Now the next measure of central tendency is mode. Mode is nothing but the number that appears the most, okay, which has got frequently, which is the number which has been repeated frequently. In these set of numbers, if you just look at it, you know that 13 is repeated 4 times, right? 14 is repeated twice and all the rest once only. So here you say that the mode is 13. Got it? Because that occurs many number of times, right? It is frequently occurring number. So mode is the frequently occurring number. So I just sum up. Mean is the average of the numbers given, and median is the middle value of the numbers given, and mode is the number which has been occurring continuously, okay, repeatedly, more number of times. In a set of given numbers, you may have more than one mode also. See, if all the numbers are repeated equal number of times, then you would say there is no mode, okay? And note that if there is no mode, you write no mode. Don't say mode is equal to 0, okay? That is wrong. You always say if there is no mode for a set of data given, then you should explicitly say no mode, and you don't say it is 0, okay? Now, I've just taken another example just to make it clear for you. Here are few numbers given. Let us find the mean, median and mode of these set of data, okay? So the first one I'm going to find is mean. So you know mean is x bar, right? X bar is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3, okay? Divided by, you have 6 numbers here. So this is equal to 22 over 6, okay? When I added, I got 22 over 6. So, and my mean is equal to 3.6666. Likewise it goes, okay? Now, the median. I told you for the median you have to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. So I find it easier to arrange it in ascending order. So I am arranging it here. Now let us take the number in the middle, okay? Here you see that there is even number of digits. So you don't have any one particular number as a middle number. So you get these two numbers. You have two values in the middle, okay? Find the average of it. That will be your median, okay? So that is 3 plus 4 over 2 is your median. So that will be equal to 7 over 2, that is 3.5, okay? 3.5 is your median. And finally you have one more, that is the mode. Mode is frequently occurring number, right? In this example you see that nothing is repeated more than once. So you say there is no mode, okay? Did you understand? It is so simple. In this session I have just taught you like what these mean, median and mode means and how you normally calculate it. So in the next video we would be doing the same mean, median and mode when frequency and class intervals are given. I repeat, for mean it is the average. For median you first arrange it in the ascending or descending order and you find the middle number. If you don't find one middle number as such, then you take the two middle numbers and find the average of it, okay? That is why I wrote here median is the middle value or the mean of the middle two values, okay? If you don't have one single middle value, then you take the mean of the middle two values and that would be your median. And finally for mode, just see what number has been repeated more number of times and that would be the mode, okay? You can have no mode and also sometimes you will have more than one mode.